Tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m., two massive things drop at the exact same time. CPI inflation data and five of the biggest banks in America report earnings. This almost never happens on same morning. Here's exactly how I'm planning to play it. Quick portfolio update. Market was choppy today, so put credit spreads pulled back a little, but the call credit spread is loving the uncertainty. Up 38%. Both sides green, nothing to touch. All focus is on tomorrow. So CPI first. The market is expecting headline inflation to actually drop, negative 0.1% for the month. Year over year, expected to fall from 4.2% down to 3.9. Why the drop? Gasoline prices fell about 10% in June. But here is what actually matters. Core CPI, which strips out food and energy, is still expected at 2.9%. That's the number the Fed watches. And 2.9 is still well above their 2% target. So, two scenarios. Cool CPI comes in at or below 3.9, market likely rallies. My call spread at 790 by 700 gets more pressure. I'll watch it closely. If XSP pushes past 780, I'll consider closing early. Hot CPI comes in above expectations. Market sells off, fear spikes, IV goes up. I wait 30 to 60 minutes for dust to settle, then look for put spread opportunities on quality names that drop to support. Now the bank earnings. And this is the part that makes tomorrow really unusual. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Wells Fargo and Citigroup, all five reporting before the bell. Same morning as CPI. Options market are already pricing in big moves. Goldman and Citi implied move of around 5 to 6%. Wells Fargo widest implied move in the group at 4.5%. JP Morgan about 4.4%. Now I am not trading individual bank stocks right before endings. Too much binary risk. But after the prints come out, if a fundamentally strong bank drops on earnings noise or guidance, that's when I look at XLF, the financial sector ETF. Wait for it to find support, then sell a put spread below that level. When IV is still elevated from the earnings reaction. More premium, same risk. So that's day 12. Portfolio is green on both sides, nothing to touch tonight. Tomorrow morning, CPI and 5 bank earnings all hit at once. I'm not trading before the open. I'm watching, waiting for the reaction, then acting on the setup. Cash is ready. Subscribe and I'll show you exactly what I do tomorrow. See you after the market closes.